on the espresso machine, on the grinder, flush, flush, coffee in, flush. How to make Caffe Breve? 60 ml of double cream into pitcher of milk. Adjust the ratio of cream to suit your taste. Clean. Wipe. Grind coffee. Level. Temp. Clean excess ground coffee. 2 cups. Flush. Milk pitcher. Froth the milk. Espresso in cup. Wipe the wand. Flush. Click on thumbs up if you like or wish to support us. Click on subscribe for more videos from us. Pour milk into the cup. Do post in the comment section below if you should have any questions or requests for videos. As always, have a nice day. 2 cups of Caffe Breve done. Cleaning up.
Goodbye and please subscribe. I make coffee. Goodbye and please subscribe. Goodbye and please subscribe.
Sekarang recording.